For all your reclaimed pine and hardwoods, call David at Reclaimed Timber Liverpool or check out his Facebook page, Reclaimed Timber Liverpool. Also delivery available within 50-mile radius of Bickerstaffe. So call David on 07341 773 555. That's David at 07341 773 555. Hello folks, thanks for joining me today. What we're going to be doing today is just a little simple scroll saw project. I got this idea from another YouTuber. The channel name is DM Idea. He has a website on Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook and all that jazz. I'll leave all the links in the description down below to his YouTube and website and all that. But it's actually a simple little project. I was going to do it on hardwood, but to tell you the truth, my planer thicknesser has decided to give up the ghost. I don't know what's gone wrong with it. It was working perfectly fine and now it just sounds like a Sherman tank. It's gone absolutely horrendously loud. I've stripped it all, I've checked it all over, I've put resharpened blades, oiled the chain and you name it, I've done it, and I just don't know what's gone wrong with it. But you switch it on, you can't hear yourself think. So at the minute I'm just struggling to do anything with pine or any hardwoods. I just haven't got the means of flattening any boards. I'm sitting on a load of rough sawn timber and I can't do nothing with it. So for this project and probably a couple more, it's going to be back to the old crappy MDF. But yeah, this is the design I'm going to do. But it's actually 3 parts to this design. You get the 2 parts, which is like that. So you cut 2 of those out, which one's a front and one's a back. And this piece goes in the middle, like so. So what I've actually done, I've put all the designs on the MDF. I've put 2 pieces of MDF together and double-sided tape in the middle. So I'm going to stack cut those so I get the perfect on the front and the back. There's only one inside cut, what you have to do on that one. So it is ideal for a beginner really. But I think once this is done I'm going to give it to my daughter. So let's crack on with it and see how we get on. Right, as you can see there, that's 36mm thick. I've just cut through that with my scroll saw. Just take your time with it. Don't try and force it too hard. I actually used a pin blade for that one, which is a blade like that. Well, it's got pins on. I use one of those because it's a thicker blade and it can handle going through thick material like that. So that's the only reason I use that for cutting the outside of that out, because there's no inside cuts on it. You don't have to get into fine details, so that's the reason I use that. I'm gonna set the machine up now to use a pinless blade, because I've got some, well, they're not tight curves, but the curve's small enough. It's only 18mm MDF, so I'm just going to set the machine up and we're going to use it with a pinless blade now to cut the thinner piece out. Right then, I've got my two parts cut out there. What I'm going to do now, before I take the tape off and the pattern, I'm just going to go around it with a bit of sandpaper, and I'm going to take it back to that edge and just clean it up a little bit all the way around on the insides and on the insides of the letters. And then that piece will get glued onto there, like so, and then there'll be obviously I'm going to split that piece. I'll put one on the back and one on the front, so it'll all line up when it's finished, and there'll be a nice thick design. So my battery's about to die on my camera. I'm going to do all that off camera. I'm going to glue it all up, and then next time you see it, it'll all be put together. Right, it's all glued up and it's all been clamped up overnight now. That's it, it's finished there. I'm just going to get the disc sander now and give it a quick sanding down on all edges, and then I know it's only MDF and you can paint it and whatever, but I'm just going to put a coat of clear lacquer over it, and that's all what's going to be done with this one. I can't really be bothered painting it, so it's just going to have a coat of clear lacquer on it. Right, that's the end of this little video now. I'll put a clip up of it, a picture in the corner, sorry, of the finished item. As you can tell, I've not been really feeling like doing this video, but I just thought I'd put something out for you. When I'm going to get something else out for you, I don't know. Like I said, I can't use my planer thicknesser. I'm stuck with a load of scraps. That's a piece of mahogany and I can't do nothing with it. I've no other means of flattening it, so I was relying on my planer thicknesser really, but obviously I can't do anything, so what I've got now is MDF, but I'm hoping that next week or so is my birthday, and I'm hoping and praying that someone's going to send me a nice Triton thicknesser, but I can't really see that coming off. But anyway, that's the end of the video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. Just tell me a reason why you don't like it. But it all helps me out either way, if you like it or you don't like it. It means you've still clicked the video to watch it. I'll leave a link to DM Idea website and YouTube channel in the description down below. And we'll see you again soon, hopefully. Thanks for watching.